So many of the basic questionnaires that people get have really kind of harmful and totalizing language when it comes to substance use issues. And so when we shift from how often did you use this or how frequently did you use this to a language that's more about what does that do for you, or how did that become the primary way of responding to a circumstance, that language shift from totalizing identity around the addict and use to what does this do for you, how does this serve you, really helps a client be able to feel more comfortable sharing about their experience and even potentially better evaluating that particular issue that they're struggling with, and allows us access to their whole world around use, trauma, and how they might be using in a way to cope with something harder.